All right, railroad fans, Cajon Pass, got a couple bonnets there. Main track number 2. Eastbound, Milepost 60. Happy Saturday morning, we're out at the rocks. Let's enjoy. Nice Z-train. We got the usual culprits, UPS, FedEx, Premier, Estes, yellow, white, all the highways are backed up. We're stuck out here. Must have been a fatal accident on 15, because when they have fatal accidents, they shut the whole thing down, and apparently that's what's going on, because nobody's moved out there for over an hour either way. There's the new yellow label over the old YRC. Big fish ate the little fish. They don't run a lot of trains in the morning around here. Seems if you come out at 8 o'clock or 10:30, you get about the same amount. After that, it gets busy. See the highway back over there? That's Highway 138. Railroad fans, we love you guys. Hope you like what you see. We know you do. Subscribe to the channel. What are you waiting for? Hit that big red icon down there. And also, while you're down there, hit the notification bell. That way you never miss any of the great action. Give us a big thumbs up. Please subscribe. Tell your family and friends. It's the sweetest thing you can do. Watch a lot of videos. You want to do a little bit more? We got Patreon. You can find the link in any description. We have some great patrons. We'd love to have you join the crew. And we have super chat and super thanks if you ever get the urge to throw Buddy a bone. We love you guys, and we're going to catch you on the next one. Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Watch a few more. Take care.